The ViewSonic LS901-4K isn't just another 4K projector. It's a premium laser-powered display designed to deliver professional-grade visuals anywhere you use it. With 5,500 lumens of brightness, this projector makes sure your image remains vivid and clear even in brightly lit spaces. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, showcasing business presentations, or setting up immersive installations, the LS901-4K performs flawlessly. It brings true 4K UHD resolution, giving you 4 times the detail of standard Full HD. Every frame is packed with depth, precision, and texture. Thanks to HDR and HLG support, you'll notice richer contrast, bolder colors, and more lifelike brightness. Blacks look deeper, whites more natural, and every scene stands out with cinematic accuracy. Laser technology is the backbone of this powerhouse. Unlike traditional lamp projectors, the LS901-4K uses a laser phosphor light source that lasts up to 30,000 hours. That means no bulb replacements, no fading brightness, just consistent, crystal-clear projection year after year. It's energy efficient, reliable, and built for heavy use, making it perfect for both home theater enthusiasts and professionals. Setup flexibility is where the LS901-4K truly shines. With its 1.7x optical zoom, for corner adjustment, and horizontal/vertical keystone correction, you can align your image perfectly no matter where the projector is placed. Whether it's ceiling-mounted, front-facing, or at an angle, your screen stays perfectly rectangular and distortion-free. One of the standout features is the 360-degree projection capability. You're not limited to traditional wall setups. Project on ceilings, floors, or curved surfaces. This versatility makes it ideal for creative spaces, galleries, exhibitions, and digital signage. The ability to project from virtually any orientation opens up endless possibilities for artistic and commercial use. Image quality is outstanding. ViewSonic's supercolor technology ensures accurate, natural hues and wide color coverage that stays consistent across all brightness levels. Even in well-lit rooms, images maintain clarity without washing out. The LS901-4K handles motion smoothly too, making it excellent for sports, movies, and gaming. Design-wise, it's sleek and functional. The chassis has a minimalist aesthetic that blends easily into any environment. Despite its power, it operates quietly, thanks to a highly efficient cooling system. The connectivity options include HDMI, LAN, USB, and more, ensuring compatibility with all modern devices and streaming systems. This projector was clearly made for versatility, delivering professional performance across a range of settings. It's bright enough for auditoriums, sharp enough for conference rooms, and immersive enough for a dedicated home theater. The combination of power, precision, and adaptability makes it one of the best laser projectors in its class. What really sets the LS901-4K apart is its long-term reliability. The laser engine offers stable brightness, accurate color over time, and nearly maintenance-free operation. Whether you're using it daily for presentations or occasionally for movie nights, it's built to perform consistently for years. In short, the ViewSonic LS901-4K brings professional-grade 4K laser projection into a flexible, user-friendly form. It's powerful, reliable, and delivers breathtaking visuals every time. If you're looking for a projector that combines cinematic performance with commercial reliability, this one checks all the boxes. Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this ViewSonic LS901-4K UHD 4K laser projector with 5,500 lumens, 1.7x optical zoom, 4K HDR/HLG support, 4-corner adjustment, H/V keystone, 360 degrees projection for home theater and commercial venues, then please visit the link provided in the description.